Yeah.
All right, she's recording.
Okay. Polaris TV.
Getting dark. Start laying it up on the boards. Right there, right there, right there. Quick.
Good?
No. Good. All right, there you go.
Hit the red button?
I don't know how far I got. Good.
Yep. What's going on, guys? Jed here bringing a brand new video. We're at the cottage. Dad's in the shot. Let's go drive around the ATV. Dive. Finally.
Yours was 348?
Ooh.
Yeah, yeah. I asked him, can the scam tell me how much? It didn't come with the curves and that, right? So he goes,
See you in a bit, guys. gonna suck now. What's going on, guys? So we've been up here for about 2 hours, and I've been driving her. Not for the full 2 hours, but majority of the time I've been driving her. We've been to the bachelors. I don't know if you guys can see the dust on her. She's gonna need a cleaning when we go home. Oh yeah, look at all that dust. So honestly, she's doing real good. The break-in's going really well. I've been pushing her a bit for the break-in period. Not too crazy. There's this huge mud hill that I wanted to go through. I'm just gonna flip myself around here, talk to you guys. There's a huge mud pile I want to go through, but I was like, I think we should just wait. I've had my mom on the back of it. I've had my dad on the back of it, and we're doing good. So I was thinking that I would do these things called ride along part 1, or ride along 1, ride along 2. So like every time I come up and make a video with the riding or whatever, it'd be like ride along 1, 2, 3, etc. I think it'd be a cool little series on the channel. I think we're gonna do that too. Obviously you guys saw the GoPro action. She did pretty well. The bachelors are really bad right now. Then, you know, but the winter just came to an end, so we're just enjoying spring now. But that's really all I got to say, guys. She's doing real good. She's running good. No problems yet. The storage is actually turning out to be really good. I got my sweater in there. I got my driver's license in there. I got everything I need in the front storage, and still tons of room. But we're not keeping her up here. We're bringing her back home. But yeah, guys, so she's doing good. Thank you guys so much for blowing up my last 2 videos, guys. You guys are awesome. And I think we're at like 88 subscribers, guys. We're so close to 100. We're so close. I think we can do it. I think we can do it by the end of May. By the end of May, we'll be over 100, I think. I believe in you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.